Good morning students. In previous class we have learned applications of equilibrium constant. So there are three applications. First one is predict the extension of a reaction. Second one is predict the direction of a reaction. Third one is calculate concentration at equilibrium. Okay, so now next topic is, and very important, factors affecting on equilibrium. Okay, so there are three factors which are affect on equilibrium. Those are concentration of reactants or concentration of products. Second one is temperature, and the third one is pressure. Pressure is applicable for only gaseous systems. That means gases chemical reactions. Pressure affected on gases chemical reactions only. So now factors affecting equilibrium. So which factors are affecting on equilibria? Concentration. First one is concentration of products and reactants, and the second one is temperature. Okay, and the third one is pressure. So pressure is applicable only for gaseous system, because in liquid system or solids, liquids and solids are not affected by the pressure, because in liquid and the solids the molecules are close to each other. That's why the pressure is not affect on solid or liquid. But in gaseous system it can more affect, because in gaseous system molecules are far away to each other. So that's why pressure affect on gaseous system. Okay, so you will write it here, the concentration of products or reactants. Products comma reactants, or products reactant concentration can affect the equilibrium position. Second one is temperature can affect equilibrium position, and pressure also can affect equilibrium position, but it only for gaseous system. Gases. So here the Le Chatelier, who was a scientist in 1985, studied the effect of these parameters. Which parameters? Concentration, temperature and the pressure parameters on the equilibrium position. Okay, so now from this observation he deduced one of the principle that is called Le Chatelier principle. What is the principle? The name of principle name is Le Chatelier. Le Chatelier, who was a scientist. So after deducing the principle by the Le Chatelier, the name is Le Chatelier principle. It is a very important. It is a very important Le Chatelier principle, and it is very easy to remember that. So now we can simplify here. Write down the definition of Le Chatelier principle. What happened here? One by one I will explain. If a chemical reaction at equilibrium, if a chemical reaction at equilibrium is subjected to a change in temperature or pressure or concentration of reactants or products, okay, then the equilibrium position will shift to reduce the change until to reach a new equilibrium position. That is the Le Chatelier principle. Or simple way can say that whenever a system at equilibrium is disturbed by a change in temperature or pressure or concentration of reactants or concentration of products, then the equilibrium will shift to reduce the change until to reach a new equilibrium position. Simple way can say that whenever a system is disturbed, whenever a system is at equilibrium, is disturbed by change in temperature, pressure, concentration. It is a very important and is very simple definition. Okay, understand? All of understand? I hope all are understand. So now we will discuss effect of concentration change. Effect of concentration change. Okay, what is the Le Chatelier principle? Okay, definition. You will write the definition. Next, effect of concentration. Effect of concentration change. So we can take a simple reversible reaction. Let's consider a simple reversible reaction, that is A is equilibrium with B. A is a reactant and the B is product. So both are in equilibrium state. Okay, already we know that if a chemical reaction at equilibrium is disturbed or is subjected or is a perturbated, something is nothing but disturbed. Whenever the equilibrium is disturbed by a change in concentration of reactants or products or temperature or pressure, then this equilibrium position will shift to reduce the change until a new equilibrium position is attained. If in this first one is effect of concentration change, if increase the reactant concentration by the adding of A, in that situation what is the concentration of A increases. At this situation the equilibrium will shift to forward direction. The equilibrium will shift to forward direction. Whenever if the concentration of reactant is increased, then the equilibrium position will be shifted to forward direction. Okay, it is a first point. It is favorable for the forward direction, or it is favored for forward reaction. Okay, next another, if A and B are both are in equilibrium, then the concentration of reactant will be decreases. Then the equilibrium will shift to left side, that is backward direction. The equilibrium will be shifted to backward direction whenever the concentration of reactant will be decreases. And the third condition, if both are in equilibrium but product concentration will be increases, then the equilibrium will be shifted to backward direction. Okay, and it is a third condition. And the fourth condition, so both are in equilibrium but decreasing the product concentration. What happened? Decreasing the product concentration is a forward direction. Equilibrium will shift to forward direction. Is nothing but it is favored for forward reaction. This is a effect of concentration change. Here the concentration change there are four situations. First one is increasing the concentration of reactants. Second one is decreasing the concentration of reactants. Third one is increasing the concentration of products. And the fourth one is decreasing the concentration of products. Here, whenever in which situations forward direction is favored, this one and this one. Okay. If reactant concentration increases as well as the product concentration will be decreases, this is comfortable situation. This is favorable condition for the forward direction. That means production of the products is more yield. In which situations reactant concentration increases as well as product concentration will be decreases. In both situations the forward reaction is favored. And the next two situations, if the product concentration increases as well as the reactant concentration decreases, these two conditions are favored for backward conditions. That is, production of A is favorable for in these two situations and production of B is favorable for in these two situations. This is effect of concentration change. So now take one example. Take one example here. Iron plus 3 ions. It is aqueous. And the thiocyanate ions. It is also aqueous. Both are in equilibrium with some complex compound. That is ferrous thiocyanate. It is a complex compound. These compounds are studied in higher classes, that is second year, coordination compounds. You remember that these compounds are studied in second year, coordination compounds. It is a complex compounds. Okay, so this is a equilibrium reaction. At equilibrium, this compound having a red color. Okay, and this compound having a yellow, and the cyanates compound having a colorless. So this condition is at equilibrium. So now now we will disturb the equilibrium. In which conditions we can disturb the equilibrium? Three conditions. Either concentration of reactants will be changed, or product concentration will be changed. Second one is temperature. By the using of temperature change we can disturb the equilibrium. But pressure is applicable. Pressure is not applicable for this chemical equilibrium reaction. This is very, very important because it is an aqueous system. So pressure will not affect on this equilibrium state. Only concentration of reactants and the concentration of product as well as the temperature will affect this equilibrium state. This is a very, very important point. Pressure will not affect on this equilibrium state because it is a aqueous system. Okay, so first condition, important condition, the concentration of iron plus 3 ions decreases whenever adding of oxalic acid. Add oxalic acid H2C2O4. So this ferrous iron plus 3 ions reacted with oxalate ions to form some complex compounds. That's why this concentration of iron plus 3 ions decreases when the concentration of iron plus 3 ions decreases, the equilibrium will be shifted to backward direction. That is, the dissociation of iron thiocyanate is high. This was indicated by the red color is converted into pale yellow color. Okay, the intensity of red color is decreases. That was indicated by the equilibrium will be shifted to backward direction. Next, another situation. This is the first condition. And the second condition, if another situations, it is a first situation and the second situation, if or when add mercury chloride to thiocyanate, then the concentration of thiocyanate ions are decreases. The thiocyanate ions are decreases. That means decreasing the concentration of reactants. So this will also indication that the equilibrium will shift to backward direction or will shift to left side. That is also indicated by the intensity of red color will be decreases. Okay, so here what happened, in which situations are favorable for the backward direction? Reactant concentrations are decreasing. That is, whenever add of some another reactants. So in two situations, the decreasing of iron plus 3 ions or decreasing of thiocyanate ions, in two situations are favorable for the backward directions. In two situations, equilibrium will be shifted to left side. And another situation also favorable for the backward direction, that is, okay, if the concentration of the product increases, it is also, whenever here third portion, the concentration of the product will increases, the equilibrium will shift to left. So these two conditions are favorable for the backward direction. Okay, here whenever we add the potassium cyanide, adding of potassium cyanide, it will increase the concentration of products. So this is also favorable for the backward direction. Okay, in three conditions, which are, first one is one reactant concentration is decreases, that is iron plus 3 concentration decreases, or thiocyanate ion concentration decreases, and the third one is the product concentration is increases. In three situations, the equilibrium will shift to backward direction. That is, the complex ion dissociate into iron plus 3 ions or thiocyanate ions is more comparing with the formation. So this is the effect of concentration change on equilibrium.